When I did the makeover on this Art Deco cabinet, I was totally thrilled with the new look. And in fact, I think it became one of my favorite thrifted pieces. But who am I kidding? I got so many favorite thrifted ones. My name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. You know, we always look at things that we do over and make over and always try to think, oh, I could use a little tweaking here, a little tweaking there. But, you know, no matter what, we always love what we do. So when I kept looking at this Art Deco cabinet, I kept saying, I could use a little something extra. And you know, when you want a little extra, what do you go with? You go with gold. So I pulled out my gold paint and I just gave it a nice little touch of gold. I didn't want to do too much gold, but I just wanted just a little bit of a hint of an accent. And I think I did just what I needed to do. You know, me and painted wood kind of shivers a little bit, but I just had to add a little something because with my gold glassware and stuff in there, I just wanted to make it pop just a little bit more. So at the bottom, I just gave it that little strip because it was a dark color wood at the bottom there. I didn't want to do the feet or anything, but I just wanted to add just a nice little strip at the bottom. So tell me what you think about it. And then of course, on the inside of the cabinet, I installed some lighting. So when you open up the door, the little light comes on and it brightens up the area. Or I could set it if I wanted to leave it on illuminating, you know, at night. But I'd rather just wait. When I open up the door, I see the light pops on. It was a spur of the moment thought, and I'm glad I kind of went on and did it. But yeah, it doesn't look bad, right? Please say it doesn't look bad. But anyway, I'm just kidding. But no, I do like it because I have the gold round, the sunburst on top, and then with the little gold strip on the bottom. I think it looks like still a winning look. And with the paintbrush still in hand, I moseyed into the living room and decided to give my grandmother's bar cabinet a fresher look as well. Just a side note, I am so much in love with this swag light that I picked up at our yard sale a couple years ago. It's just perfect hanging over that. So let me show you how I gave it gold feet. The feet had scuff marks from over the years, and that's normal. But now with the gold paint, it covered it up and it just gave it a more elevated look. I do apologize for the darker photo because we've had so much rain and it's just hard to get a good daylight picture, but I will be sharing one when I get it. Besides, I was just so excited I wanted to share it with you. So if you ever want to spruce up a piece of furniture, just give it a little touch of gold. And I hope this inspired you to do so. Again, thank you for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please drop me a comment, like, and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. And remember, thrifting is not a fad, it's a lifestyle. And this is Thrift Style with Jamela.